Good morning everyone. I Mohammad Abdul Tauheed is here to present our presentation. The topic of presentation is condensation polymerization of polyester. My teammates are Mandar, Hardik and Wazarkar. Condensation polymerization of polyester. What is condensation polymerization? Condensation polymerization is a process in which relatively small molecules called monomer combine chemically to produce a very large chain-like molecules called a polymer. It is formed by getting a byproduct. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Prathamesh Wazarkar. Today we discuss the topic advantages and disadvantages of polymer use. Advantages: used to produce light-proof, bulletproof vest, cycle helmets, devices such as billiard ball dominoes. Dominoes means small flat rectangular block used as gaming object. Dominoes are made of rigid materials such as wood and plastics. Next, pieces for games like chess and checkers. Disadvantages: phenol methanol plastics are disposed of by incineration, which create pollutants like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. They cannot be remelted and recycled. Condensation polymers highly unbiodegradable as they are not affected by moisture and bacteria. As a result, most products made from condensation polymers end up in a landfill. Categories of polyester: thermoplastics, polybutylene terephthalate, polycarbonate, etc. Thermoset obtained by unsaturated polyesters. Saturated polyethylene terephthalate PET. Unsaturated ethylene glycol, typical polylose used as glycol.
So, as we have seen what is condensation polymerization, its advantages and disadvantages, also the categories of polyester. And we know that most common example of this type of polymerization, that is condensation polymerization, is polyester. It is made by the reaction between acid and alcohol. We have here hexandioic acid and ethanediol. Ethanediol is alcohol containing two hydroxyl functional groups, hence the name is diol. Hexandioic acid is carboxylic acid with two carboxyl functional groups, therefore the name is dioic. In this slide, we can see that the polymerization process is happening between hexandioic acid and ethanediol. To make this condensation polymerization successful, we need the functional groups at both ends of the bond. In the previous slide, Hardik has explained the reaction between the hexanoic acid and ethanediol, where the polymer is formed is known as polyester. The the byproduct water is formed, which mostly is removed. Pros and cons of polyester means advantage and disadvantage of polyester. It gives strength, it has a good flexibility, it has a moisture resistance, it ease of care, it has a low cost. Cons of polyester means disadvantage of polyester: high energy and water consumption, inability to biodegrade. These are some reference links which we have gathered the information. I am ending this presentation. So thank you.